Hello, and welcome to the Race Challenge. This is John Pierre, Cal Naughton Jr., I'm Ricky Bobby, and this is Iron Horse Garage.
Here's what's going on. We got challenged to a 40-foot lawnmower race, publicly, by some guy named Daryl at Half Fast Garage.
We're coming for you, Devin! Shake and bake!
You poked the wrong bear, and we're coming for you, Donovan. Or whatever your name is.
Who do you think you are exactly?
Whoa.
We have had enough of this. We're gonna take you down.
Calm down. Whoa.
So we just pulled this baby off the Dyno, our Craftsman race mower, and you guys have heard a bunch of ridiculous off-the-wall numbers from Half Fast Garage, 7,000 horsepower. Okay, well this is real-world numbers, and this is what the Dyno shows.
Our first run, we did pretty good. We dynoed at 472 horsepower at 18,000 RPM. Not too bad. We did some tuning, got her up to 635 on our second run, also at 18,000 RPM. These are real world numbers, not to be messed with. Hey, you silly guy.
Hey, I'm back from Michigan. What the heck are you guys doing?
We're just washing up the race mower here. Washing her up, man. What's going on? How did it go in Michigan?
Mission accomplished.
That's what I'm talking about. Awesome.
Iron Horse Garage. Oh yeah, are you calling about the high horsepower driver position? What we're looking for is somebody really small and really light to drive our high horsepower lawnmower. Perfect. It sounds like you're our guy. Absolutely. We'd love to see you. Come right down. All right, thanks. Bye. Hey Andy, are you home?
The deal is, we didn't have 2 cones. We're not some kind of spoiled little babies that have 2 cones, so we improvised. We got 1 cone and a car muffler. We don't got no green tape measure. We have this NHRA certified yellow tape measure, and we're about to measure off this 40-foot mark.
Hello? Hey, how you doing? All right, well, we'll see you in a minute. Driver's on his way, guys. Hey, Aaron Kaufman, what is up, man?
Aaron Kaufman, how's it going? I guess you do owe us one since we taught you everything you know. Half-fast garage. The sun may rise in the east, but it sets in the west. We just installed that, so this will be ready to go.
Aaron! Hey, I'm Aaron. You look a lot bigger on TV.
So, what do you think? This thing gonna go fast or what? You gonna be able to pull this off for us? We'd appreciate it. Here's the deal. Half-fast garage. This is a garage versus garage. Epic showdown. Winner take all. Battle to the death, if necessary. You race on grass, we race on dirt. This is a dirt track. Several racers have nearly lost their lives on this track. No messing around, just racing.
Look here, half-fast garage. We live our lives 40 feet at a time.
We're gonna go over some of the features of our race mower. Half-fast garage. You talk about race pressure in your tires, you don't know nothing about it. These tires are helium H4 filled. So on our front tires, we're running 20 pounds of air pressure for maximum steerability and edge cutting turns. Rear tires are running 7 pounds of PSI for ultimate traction in the takeoff.
We also have electrolyte forged cam and pistons in this bad boy. Full tilt racing front end.
Also, as you've already seen, 300 octane race fuel boosted with a can of NOS. This is an air-induced turbo super wind speed tube with a spinny thing. Back here, this is our traction bags. We filled this baby full of race grass for rear end traction.
We've also got super short shifting shifter and a custom one-of-a-kind racing cup holder.
Also comes with springy seat action. The reason the seat does this is when you're running over slow racers in front of you like half-fast garage.
Yeah, this one's for you, half-fast! We also have a custom-made drifting handbrake.
Also comes with a specialized microchip racing key. As you can see, this thing is a full dresser because not only will it race, it'll also cut the damn grass.
This thing may look fast, but it's fast as hell.
You're half fast, we're full fast. Enough talk, let's race.
Pine needles and pizza, Daryl. Pine needles and pizza.
half-assed. You saw our times. I'm happy to tell you, you are a formidable opponent. We're going to call a truce. But as for Aaron, he's fired. So Aaron needs a job.